welcome back to Hanny's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you digraphs, phase-3 digraphs. This is the OI sound. If you put them together they make the OI sound. Two letters make one sound. So I'm gonna show you some flashcards, and if you need time to read them, then you can just pause the video. Point. Now it's your turn. Now it's my turn. Now your turn. Now let's pinch fingers. Point. Let's see if you can do that too. And show me your pointing finger. This is my pointing finger. Oink, oink. My turn, your turn. Oink, oink. Now my turn. Oink, oink. Now your turn. Now let's pinch our fingers. Oink, oink. Like a pig makes. Toilet. My turn. Toilet. Now it's your turn. Now let's pinch our fingers. That was a tricky one. Good job if you got it right. Oil. Now your turn. Now my turn. Oil. Now it's your turn again. Now let's pinch our fingers. Oil. That was an easy one. Soil. Now it's your turn to read the letter. Now it's my turn again. Soil. Now your turn. Now let's pinch our fingers again. Soil. You're on fire today. You're getting everything right. Coins. Now it's your turn. My turn. Coins. Now your turn again. Now let's pinch our fingers. Coins. Foil. Foil. Now it's your turn to read this sound. Foil. Now my turn. Foil. Now it's your turn. Let's pinch our fingers. Foil. Let's see if you can find foil around your house. Boil. Now it's your turn again. Now my turn. Boil. Now it's your turn. Now let's pinch our fingers for the last time. Boil. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, comments, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to see notifications. Bye. See you on my next video.